We have let's go.
Selection.
I'm
You
a mate.
guys have little to no, ano,
Little to no one.
game wins.
I
Ah!
don't. I don't have game wins yet.
I have a lot. 48. And 20
I,
diamond.
Okay, guys. Now let's get
Shit.
You guys have to keep the saplings. Do you guys know that?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm coming, guys. Where's the sapling? I think I burned it. Don't worry, I have another sapling. What's that? Guys, I see something. Oh.
Almost here.
Good. Guys, guys, I got something. I got something, guys. Guys. Yeah.
why?
Come, come back. Hmm? Yes. Ate Polly. Don't call me Ate Polly. I'm
Bro,
used to.
come on, come on, come on. Come on.
I
No, it's
Hey guys. Why do you guys always put it at the side and not at the crafting bench?
I don't know.
It's not me.
I'm gonna start tweaking out. Oh, it's a bunny trap.
Bunny shrimp?
For food.
There's, there's an update. There's an update.
Oh, night is approaching.
I don't care.
No,
I
you're
care.
gonna get. I mean, you're gonna get killed by the deer.
No, I'm not. On my one, get killed. Say,
It's not even close to the fire. I'm scared.
I have flashlight. I don't care.
What is that?
The flashlight is not gonna kill the deer, you know. It
Is
won't
it?
do
But it's gonna make
anything.
it go away. And
It won't
who keeps
actually.
putting the logs on the floor? Why do they not put it inside the fire? That's what the logs are for.
Not really. You'll also need to put it here.
Come here. I'm right here. Come on.
Where is it? Where is it?
Get the frick
Lord.
Go
away.
away. Go away. Go away.
Come on,
Yes,
guys.
go
Let's go
away.
back. Let's go back.
No, no, no. I'm gonna eat a carrot.
You guys planted the saplings na?
Yes, it's
Yes.
mine. Where's my
We need
sapling?
to plant the saplings.
This
We
one is
have
mine.
to wait until level 4 of the campfire
Why?
so that it's bigger and we have more.
Then we don't cut down these trees.
God, I'm scared.
We need a sundial.
The thing is, we don't have crafting bench to not do. It's not like you need to not cut down. All you need to do is just stop.
There's a bunny trap.
Come on. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Boy.
Bro, what?
Bro, who's listening to Golden?
Yeah.
See, if you can like twist the end of the bridge.
Oh, bunny
Yeah,
foot,
I
bunny
know.
foot, bunny 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 foot. Boom. Guys, I got bunny foot. I got bunny foot. I got bunny foot. Boom
Guys, I'm getting
shackle.
chased.
We need a log wall.
Yeah.
I'm getting chased. Oh my god. Natapon yung shampoo sa bag mo.
Eh?
Run, Zion!
I don't
Boom.
give a frick about these wolves. I
Guys,
can
we
kill
need
them.
food.
Look, shampoo. There's oh
Go,
no.
go, 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 go. Steals the wolf belt. Thank you for wolf
I
belt.
did that. I took that. Please.
Look for a bit. Look.
I stole it now.
Ba?
I stole it now.
You're not okay.
Boom.
You're not okay.
Ito na.
Gosh dang it, naman.
Bro, I
The
already.
bunny is going through the wolf for protection.
Bro.
Tinan mo, puro shampoo.
Mm-mm.
Is that Zoe? Tinan mo, guys,
Why?
What?
shared too much. The bunny went to the wolf for protection.
Oh, guys, I got bandage. So
Me
fr-
too.
nice.
I
Kill the
know.
The
bunny.
bunny is going to the wolf for protection. That's so cute.
Is it that Ashton and Chris?
It's more like Bunny and Michael, but okay.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
this is mine. I
It's
don't know.
because Ashton is a fox.
Puppy.
You
Oh.
say he's a fox.
Oh.
Puppy.
He's a puppy. And then Bunny is a bunny. That's why he's called Bunny.
What in the world?
Give me the wolf. Oh my god.
Did you know that?
No.
Gimme the foot.
Oh, we need
You guys are crashing out. So cool.
Give me the foot. Give me the foot. Come here, bunny. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, boom! Shakalaka, wolf pelt. I'm taking the wolf pelt, guys.
Yes, yes. So Sigma.
Oh.
I got it. Come here.
Guys, what should I... What should I pick? Spear, leather,
Ah!
body, or good axe? Guys, pick, please. What should I
Spear.
pick? Spear. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I need alpha. Who can it do? No 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 no. Ayoko na.
I got Jay. I got Jay. I got Jay.
Bruh. Boom, we got the compass.
What is this?
Guys, I think we need sundial and wood rain storage. So we could put the wood rain storage together and we can tawag dun, we can hide there while killing the
We need
something.
wood grain storage
Yeah.
because
We need two. No, bro. You were supposed to put them in front so we can hide there so and the oh boom.
Ah!
I got three because we do need the wood grain storage unless it rains and thunders.
Oh
Diba?
yeah.
You idiot.
Bro, why did you buy that?
Wait, move. I need to check. Okay.
Oh,
We need to
bro?
get the kid.
Why did you buy a regular bed? Okay.
How do I lie down?
You can't lie down.
So I have to do like this.
Hey
No, you
Nation,
have
you wanna
to.
help Zoe find the missing kid?
No.
If you do it on your two alone, you're gonna die.
No, actually. Oh wait, no. I think you can do it by yourself. Yeah.
It depends if you're a pro or not.
No. There's like 5 wolves that you have to kill.
Oh,
教えてこらってけろとあってしって。
once Alison and Zoe they um got the missing kid.
Do you want me to save it on my own?
Okay, guys. So no, no. Oh wait, you want?
I
Ah,
want Ashton and Chris.
bruh.
Hey Zoe.
Oshinda.
Oshinda.
Who wants good sack, guys? Who wants good sack?
Me!
Come here. Come here.
What?
Wait, I'm killing the wolf with Zoe.
Come here, bro. Come here. Get the good sack. Boom,
Guys, I
patay.
see something.
Guys,
Guys,
there's
look
a
at my
red
screen.
key.
Look at
Oh,
my screen, guys. Look at my screen.
wait.
I
Is
don't
that a
want.
fairy?
Are you
I
guys new
found a
to the
fairy.
game?
Oh, look, it's
I
the
found a.
ano. It's the
Oh, I
missing
found a
kid.
fairy. Hi, fairy.
Feline, I'm gonna start leaving if you keep around.
Oh, good
Alright.
axe. I got good axe. Bye bye. Oh wait, I can't run. Ha ha. There's a cultist. Okay, there's a wolf now. Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na. Let me go back, let me go back, let me go back, let me go back. Okay,
Okay,
you
so how
guys,
many flowers I need? 20, 14.
I thought the fairy said you needed like 200 or something.
I'm
Come
rage
here.
quitting.
No, don't. Why? Are
Bye
you?
guys.
No, what? Why?
Go! Run! 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 Run!
Wait lang. So I need, I need to fill me up.
Run! 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 Get
Oh,
out of
guys,
here.
who wants bunny foot?
Ooh, dang it. Where do I put the wood?
Here, 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 come. Here, here, here. Come here. You put it here. Yeah, you put it like that. Bro!
Doop!
Guys, there's old flashlight. Then there's a revolver. Did you guys get the missing kid?
No, I didn't. I have on flashlight. Mimi, go, go.
Oh.
Missing kid has been rescued.
Let's go.
I saw the deer. What's up, little kid? Get food. We don't care. It's alright. It's not a cherry
You,
blossom video, right?
um, it is. Wait, I'm add. Wait.
You should. That butterfly. Oh, look at that firefly.
Oh, bandage. I'm gonna take the bandage.
Hello.
I
Hello.
wanna get the firefly. I wanna get the firefly.
Who wants this revolver?
Hello. I
Someone.
have revolver,
What?
but I I want ammo.
I have ammo. Oh no, where did it go?
Let's go get wood. Me and.
Want to do the glitch?
Sure.
What gift?
I'm
Kayo na
eating.
pala.
No, later. I'm cutting down wood.
Wait, is there the andyan ba yung wolf?
I don't know.
Andyan yung trading. Ay,
I
wala.
don't know. Wala
Sabi.
ata.
I have a wolf pelt. What's up?
The
Look at chat.
Kung mag-mute, may ano na agad.
Ha?
Okay.
Ano na sabi?
Ha?
Hindi ko mabasa. Hindi ko mababasa.
Bro.
Yes.
Oh, our time no free, so nice that you were mine. Wait, where's the saplings? Why don't I get the
I
saplings?
counted, I counted it.
What's that?
Ay, yung mga saplings yung naplanta ko eh. I don't know lang kung ayun yung hinahanap.
No,
Of course.
I
Otis!
what? Kill it, guys. I
Where's
have
your
bunny
Otis?
foot. I have bunny foot.
Look! Look! I found the ano oh! Guys, I found the wolf! Oh. Ay, the deer!
Wait, what?
I found the deer! I found the deer!
What is
Near the ano!
what is bro doing? Oh, there, I found you. Found you.
Where are you?
I found you.
Bro?
Here, here,
Where
here.
are you?
Behind you.
Ayun na, te! Ay, asan na yun? Ayun oh! Asan na
Saan?
yun?
Umalis.
Ito,
Ayun.
te!
Patayin
Can you
kaya
hear me?
natin. Yoko nga.
I have a revolver.
Okay, okay.
Kasi 3 ammos lang. May chest near doon, no? Bro, yung ano mo, te! Kahapon yung natin.
Oh, look! Revolver 6 ammos. You want? Kunin mo. Open
Tingnan
chest.
natin yung... Yay! Ito yung wolf, naka ano lang. What's
Oh,
that?
oh, leather
body?
body. Sana all. Oh,
I
guys,
have
coal.
one.
Get the coal. Get the coal. Bro, get the
May
coal.
prayer quartz, no?
Mamiya, get the coal. Get the coal. Get the coal. Let's go, let's go.
Tara na, you will be attacked tonight. Guys, i-ano niyo yung
Ga-
spare nyo. Spare ba yun? Asan na yun? Bro, asan na yun? Biglang
Asan na yun?
spear. It is spear. Guys, magtago
Oh,
kayo
she
here.
disconnected. Oh, she disconnected. Come here,
What?
guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dito, dito.
Oh,
Nishun,
I
where
don't
are
have
you?
something. Oh, here.
Nishun, where are you? Nishun, come! Bro! Come! Come here! I need to eat.
Go.
Come here.
Let's go.
Get in. Ayoko na.
I don't have your block.
Where do I put the food?
Zion, where are you?
She
I need
left.
food. I need food.
How did you
Wait, asan na si Zion? I need food!
Bro,
Sit down.
why didn't you come get food earlier?
I have food.
Asan ka?
Wait, I have berries.
What?
I have a berry. Come, look, get it.
Okay, thanks.
Nigeria.
Yum.
I'ma lead them here. Get out. What are you doing there, Nishun?
I'm being the man.
Help.
Okay, I think we're safe.
Hey, Ate Polly?
I'm here.
Why?
Don't call me back.
Huh?
Why?
I'm so confused.
Why?
Ate Polly or Zion? What?
Nishun is Ate Polly.
Guys,
Oh.
look!
Why?
Ma'am.
Guys, where's
Ay.
the... Oh, there we are. There you are.
My food.
Oh,
In the
Oh, I
fire.
saw
In the
food.
fire.
yung sapling?
No.
Berries.
This is the cultist gem. I can't. Ano.
Yeah. It was started
I
here.
have a lot of berries.
Guys, Jeddah disconnected. Bro, no. Oh no. We need wood.
Do you
No.
need What's a my revolver here?
Where's your coal?
Cone?
Yeah. Put it here. Okay, it's safe pa naman. Oh, bolt.
Yeah, no, may electric fan. Oh, I have... Yay, and the internet trading.
I need alpha
Um,
wolf belt.
Yung select one, spare, leather body, old flashlight.
I don't know.
What should I pick? I already have
Leather
leather
body. Give
body.
me
I
leather
already have.
body. Give me leather body. Where is it?
Can you see?
No. Oh, done. Boom. I
Yay!
have leather body now.
Wait, I still don't have a flashlight.
Get a
Do you have?
flashlight.
Do you need a revolver? I
No,
have a flashlight now.
I have revolver. Oh,
What?
our time. Are you okay?
What?
I'm getting sick.
Huh. Oh, boom. Wala na.
Is
Stop!
this
I want to go to the ferry.
Why not? Go to the ferry then.
guys?
Dog is
No,
chasing
I'm
me.
hungry. Mama, I'm hungry. Berry, berry. Eat, eat. Oh my god. Eat, eat.
Bruh.
Eat already.
You Nigeria! Ah,
Why? What happened?
the
What?
dog is chasing me.
Ano yun?
Bro, why are you not planting the saplings?
I'm
Huh.
planting the saplings.
Wait, I
Okay, we
need
need
food.
food. Oh,
So
eat the
sick,
food.
man.
I'm
Where is,
collecting food, but I'm not eating it.
bruh? Where are you, bro?
I'm here.
No, where's Nishun?
I don't know.
Coming!
Oh,
We need
guys, can we say
sundial.
oh, it's ano. Mag-craft na. Mag-craft na kayo. Ako na
Wait lang,
pala.
wait lang. Magkano
Okay na.
ba? Okay,
Hindi dito more.
yeah, put it there.
Wait, where's it? We really need that sundial.
Look how many berries I got.
Oh,
Ang
yum.
dami. We need, ano,
Why can't we eat?
we need to get, meat. It gives us more,
Yes.
yeah.
I'm gonna share some, basta? What's that? Where are you going? You can die, you know. Come
Sino
on.
yun? Ay, akala ko. I thought you were the deer.
Oh my god.
Um,
Let's get meat.
yeah, very. Oh, I'm sorry to let go.
I keep getting bunny food.
I need alpha wolf help.
Same.
Mm.
At the poly, do you have a revolver?
Yes. Don't call me Ate Polly.
Extra revolver.
Call me Nishun.
Oh, Nishun?
Nishun.
Huh?
I
Oh,
get
okay.
meat.
Ano?
I get meat.
What the
Huh?
say mo? Okay.
I get
What?
Nishun, get food.
Can you help me find the Kraken key?
Okay.
Come here. Come at me.
Let's go.
Okay.
Pilin.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna eat first. Wait, we should get food.
Wait. Ano muna? Eat muna kayo ng berries. I'm
Yeah.
gonna eat berries first.
Same.
Nobody has died? I have a bandage!
Where is
Yay!
she?
I can go! Ayan na. Yay! Hey, yo! Yes. Let's go, Pilin. I wanna know Phil. Oh,
Wait
mali
lang.
pala yung direction ko.
Where are you? Wait, I'm gonna check the missing kid thingy. Wait lang ha.
Okay, meron na ako.
Wait lang.
Sundan mo na lang ako.
Wait lang.
Sige.
Okay. Okay, asan ka? Yun. Kita ko na.
Let's go. Ayun, malapit sa Ate Polly doon. Never. Ayun, basta.
Nishun.
pollination out. Why do I have to cut the pollination?
Cause I'm filming.
Oh,
Bro, kill the wolf.
there's a wall.
Oh, we
We
need to.
we
We
just
need.
have to get some
We have to get.
level 4
Yeah.
fire.
Come on, let's go.
Level
Let's
4.
go back.
Let's just explore the ano. Oh, flashlight. Because it's useless.
Dang!
What
I have. I
happened
have
to you?
I died!
bandage.
I
I have
died! I died!
bandage.
I died! I died!
Okay,
I died!
I'll get ano.
I have
How did you?
bandage.
What the heck? Why is that?
7.
Heal me!
Really?
Get your items.
Yes.
Boom! I got a reward. And a
Oh, I
reward.
got the old radio.
What?
I got the old radio.
Cool. I'm gonna
Let's
go
go.
back. I need Betty.
Let's explore it. Bro, we need the 4 camp, level 4 campfire.
No, we can't yet. We need like
Why?
okay, we need to go back. We
I
have to
think it's
get like a lot
waiting.
of saplings and plant
Yes.
them. No,
It's
no, no.
lighting up. I don't think you're done. What's the ano? What the heck? What is this? You got this.
The food is exploding.
Um,
That's a
uh,
lot of food.
may ano ba si Jada?
Ha?
Si may revolver?
Wala ata.
Ano, sabihin mo na mag-take ka. You have to like move and move like that. Para hindi tayo ano na thunder. Pag nag-take shelter ka, it's useless lang.
Guys, it's raining so hard. Like how it's raining in the Philippines.
Guys, move. Mag-move kayo. So, can you tell Jada? Can you tell?
Okay.
Para mag-move, para hindi siya late. Ate Paul, you can just place the wood here. Hey.
Kembot.
Like him.
I mean, totoo naman.
Kembot.
The fire's going down!
What do you mean, Kembot? Guys, tapos na kayo yung sa ano? Yung sa pet self-trading.
I don't know.
Ano yung proof of? Maybe Jada. Nakapag-play na ba si Jada neto?
No, first time. First time niya.
God dang.
Okay. And here, trade. Nakapag-trade na ba siya ng bunny foot?
Di ko alam. Tanong mo siya. Okay, we need wood.
Okay.
Okay. Bro, chop some. Wait, I can chop some wood.
Yes, chop.
That's my wolf
Oh, no.
belt!
What?
That's mine!
What?
My
Yung wolf
belt.
belt.
No. I think I didn't even ano yun eh. Iniwan ko lang naman eh. Ayun, ito nakuha ko nung inano namin yung kid. Eddie.
Mahal.
Okay. Yeah, wood. I'm gonna go
Ang
get
daming
some wood.
bunny foot.
Gimme some time. Ooh, thank you so much.
What? Guy,
What?
Gimme some time. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. This is me or all that.
Need wood.
no, do not.
Diggity
Just do not cut it. We need it for level 4.
Okay.
What?
Level 4 of campfire.
Okay. Yeah, we need it. Huh?
Huh?
Almost.
I saw Zoe.
You're
Meh.
I'm coming. Oh, it's a flower.
Bro, I thought I didn't get saplings. Help.
It's a bunny.
What? Huh?
Oh, scrap metal.
I didn't get any wood or sapling in this street.
Oh, radio.
Help,
Takbo,
help,
takbo,
help.
takbo,
Hinahabol
takbo.
ako.
Pumunta ka sa campfire,
Heh, okay na.
bruh. I have scrap metal and
Oh, I need berry.
Oh, night is
I need
approaching.
berry. Is the kid okay?
Yeah, I think probably.
He's still smiling like a kid. Oh, there's a coin.
Oh, I dropped my flashlight.
Why
What?
did you drop your flashlight?
I think there's a flashlight here.
Wait, I'm gonna get a
Guys,
flash. Wait, never mind, never mind.
flashlight here. Why?
I don't want
There's like a
to be
flashlight.
eaten.
We need wood for the, I need 4 woods para makaano ng farm plot. Kasi need din natin yun eh. And crook pot din.
Yeah.
My flashlight.
Where's your flashlight?
What?
Get the
Ito
flashlight.
daw na extra flashlight.
Here, bro, get this. Get this.
Flashlight.
Hoy!
The college!
Good.
Ay, what?
Bro,
Ano
come
ulit yun?
here, Nishun. Hoy!
Nishi.
Nishi. Come here, bro, bro.
Why am I? Okay, I'm gonna some farm plot. Wait, asan yung farm plot? Ay, dito pala.
Go there.
Should we like palibutin natin ng log wall?
Okay.
Farm plot muna. Ayun ito.
I'm hungry.
Eat food.
Let's go.
No! Bro! Ayoko na.
That
I'm gonna eat. And what happened to my voice? I'm hungry. Gotta eat.
you need to why are you here?
What happened to all the berries?
Sounds of
Where did
the
they go?
evil song. It arrived from. Go.
I ate the berries, guys.
Yeah. Wait, I can't do it.
Oh.
We can't do it.
I got a spear.
Good stack. Good stack. Bruh. Heh. Wait. It's not night.
No, morning. Ha ha ha
Good
ha.
morning.
Mauubos na glog natin.
You?
Okay, it's day 23 now. And I forgot to
Bad.
record. Joke lang. I recorded.
I was gonna beat you in the.
You didn't know we're recording.
Oh wait, I'm bored.
Oh.
Nah, I'm gonna beat you.
Ay, sapot na lang. Ah! Ow!
Why won't it come inside?
Doon
What
siya
was
doon.
that sound?
Begging on my knees to be
Oh my
covered.
God.
Why why can't we just like chop down the big trees?
We can't.
Yes.
I don't know why, but we can't. We need to chop more
Why?
trees, guys. Oh,
What did I do
No, we
again?
need it to na level 4 yung ito. Para ma-save na natin. Di ba sabi mo, Pilin, pag bago mag day 30, dapat na ano na yung mga kids.
yeah.
Well, it's in a different run, but yeah.
Right. Come on, guys, chop down
May
wood.
nakasabi ba yung will be active tonight? Ay, bakit nakapalibot na to?
Yung ano,
Kit. Ay, bro, what did I say? Heh.
I'm chopping down this big two wood.
We chop
Where?
down the wood. We chop it down.
No, oh
Where?
yeah, sure. Kay your choice. Plant the saplings.
Wala mag-duplicate.
Don't put them like in together. Like spread them.
Ah,
Cause
okay. Together yung ginagawa ko eh. Hehe. Palibot ka?
Get the saplings.
yeah, plant it. Parang palibot yung sinabi mo.
I'm hungry.
Oh. Or what happened? Hmm.
I'm the master of getting items up.
How do I plant this? I can't plant it. Bruh.
If the deer gets me, it's game over.
No, you can still be healed.
Yes.
Where's
Nung
the
kaninang run ko, nag-join ako sa public na run.
Mm,
Sabi ko na naghahanap ako kanina ng run. ABC to join my run. It's like Dandy's World.
bro. Dandy's World in another universe.
Corel.
Aren't we gonna find the kid?
No.
We need wood. I need wood for this. So I can, ano,
I did it!
okay.
Yay.
Oh my
Now
God,
let's
sabi
You
cut
ko
guys
down
are
fire.
more
good.
wood.
Fire. Okay, we can now save the girl.
Okay.
We have
Okay.
we still have 2 minutes.
We need okay, so AFK pa si ano eh. Bawal muna tayo magano dahil baka run out tayo ng fire.
Ay, paano mamamatay si Jada? Nag-AFK siya for too long kasi yung hunger niya.
Kaya nga.
Mamamatay siya.
I'm hungry.
Wait.
No
Oh.
more food.
No,
Ma-
I'm hungry in real life.
Wait. Okay, I'm gonna some bunny.
Wait, AFK.
i-
Yung spare ko 2 hits lang. Ng bunny.
sana all. Nakalimutan ako na may spare ako.
Help.
I'm gonna attack wolf. Wait, Nishon get wood. Ay wala siya.
AFK. I found a lot of bunny food.
Bruh.
Yes.
Oh, boom. I have mouse lock pala tawag dito.
Hilin, I have good news.
Saan?
I can finally afford yung send ko sa'yo, yung book,
Oh yeah.
Good Grammar.
Yeah.
I
Buti
can
na lang.
finally afford it. I'm buying it.
Okay.
Mamayang 6 because magsisale siya sa Shopee.
Okay. Ah! Oh no.
You'll be, you might return to your
Attack.
campsite. Guys, tara na guys.
I
We
need
only
food.
have
I need food.
Mag-ano ka na, te?
Paano si ano?
Ate
Takbo!
Pauline. Ay,
Takbo!
Nishun, Nishun, Nishun,
Nishun!
Nishun.
Oh.
Nishun! Me first! Yay, yay, yay. Asan na si ano? Si Jada?
Nag, tawag doon, na-disconnect ulit ata.
Ano ba meaning ng mga ping? Ping?
Internet. Internet.
Ano yung sabi ni Jada? 30k ping?
I think
Ano
it
yun? Bad
means,
internet?
yeah.
Oh,
Come here, bro.
why?
Ayoko na, ayoko na.
Ah, yun dear, sumisilip kakainis. Oh, ata sila. Para monster. Okay. Ate Papi! People. What? Why? Mga um,
I have to heal. We have to find a bandage.
asan kayo?
I'm already healing.
Me too. We're inside the ano,
Mm-mm.
something.
Just wait for the night and find some bandage.
Wait for the,
Or
oh.
maybe put me inside the...
Mut, mutatay ko.
Where is he?
Get it, bro. Get it, get it. I think they're on. The deer's on top of us.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Na?
Yeah.
Is it ano na?
Wala na yung fire.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Get
Okay
wood
na.
already, bro. Get wood. Oh no. First revive me, bro. The fire has gone out. You are no longer safe.
Okay. We have to stay
Bakit kaya?
inside.
Wala pa kayong wood sa sack nyo?
Oo, basa eh.
Wala kayong wood sa sack ko?
Ate, we have to find a
Oo.
bandage.
Wait, you have to
It
find
will
ano,
dry, don't worry.
wood.
Oh, nandito pala si Yumiko. Ha? Yeah, but they're dead. And are you okay?
Huh?
What happened?
I'm good.
What?
What was that? Get inside.
Rain storage yung wood. Ano na, clear na. Wala, hindi na wala nang rain, hindi na siya wet. Store it and then nyo, isa ka fire. Store
No, wait,
it,
we can't.
then
We have to ipon first. Kasi mawawalan agad yan.
sige. So, mag-ipon muna kayo here, dun sa rain storage.
Oh
Okay,
my
okay.
gosh. I need to eat.
1 minute na lang. Kapag,
Yes.
okay, maglagay na kayo!
Wait,
my
wait, wait.
god. Then hide. Kasi, IDK.
Hey, it's a wolf. It's a bear.
What? Another bear. Feel I can finally do
Ha?
Do what?
multiplications.
Oh.
Sana all di ko pa nga kaya yun eh.
Bro, bro, did you know? Yung pinaano ko, nasa 500 plus x times 225. Alam mo yun na ano ko na yung formula yung ginawa ko.
Ano?
Yung sagot ko 771 tapos yung sagot sa calculator 28,000.
Ay. I'm gonna die, 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 I'm gonna die. We don't have food, we don't have food.
Then chop some more.
Okay,
Oh,
okay,
I
okay.
mean like
Run, 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 run.
Then, why is the wood work? Why is the wood working? The deer is striking. That's striking.
My food.
This is working. I don't have storage to record it.
So, we all died in the
That's
end.
me.
And we reached day something.
I can do this.
Okay, guys. Bye bye. Oh, wait.
Ate Paul, you still alive?
Wait, is Nishon alive? Is Nishon alive?
Yes.
Oh, it's not the end of the video yet.
No. New game? New game ba?
I'm so ugly, man.
No. I can't record. I can't record because I don't have storage. If I only have storage, I
Go,
would
Grace.
record
Go get
this.
me.
The viewpoint.
Hey,
Okay, Ate Paul,
hey Nishon,
goodbye.
can you drag me there to them?
Yes. Me too, please.
Can you put us in the storage?
No.
Or you gonna make me sleep?
How?
Um,
This is
um,
giving details.
help,
Uh,
Oh.
bro.
ano yung info? Wait. Something evil is approaching your campfire. It arrives tonight. Ate Polly, can you eat some food para ma-revive ka? What? It has...
Go, you're not your.
No!
Get buried.
Let's watch her screen. Cause
Yes.
Sigma.
I don't... How do I spectate?
Oh, I don't know. I'm
Haha.
watching Nishon's screen because I'm on P's laptop. Day 37.
What? Your campfire is out of fuel.
No, she needs
What?
food first.
Yes. Berries? Carrots?
Don't. Oh wait, you can't kill bunnies. Oh wait, you can't. The more cells are for nothing
You
because
can...
we don't have fire.
Oh,
Free,
that's a carrot.
free.
Yes.
Hey cat.
Bruh. At the poly, 1 minute left before night.
Put
Are
it
we
in.
recording?
Oh,
Um,
Whoops. Play again with same team.
Bye, guys.
Okay, bye guys.